Shit. Mechanic.
Green Nation Ian challenge finish. Me I call out you on the pepper sauce challenge. Me I call out Stuart.
What?
No, you know the females them ever call out. And females always love pepper. Females always love pepper, so me I call out the females them here. Me I call out Nikki Van Stuart family.
And every female love pepper. But only Nikki no love pepper.
Me I call out Sabrina from Rich family. And me I call out Lataya Dali. And me I call out the Thompson, Mrs. Thompson, yeah. Me I call out. And Green Nation, send your wife to come. Ashmead, send your wife to come. All I know, send your wife them come, yeah. Yeah. No. Can't win me on this. No, can't win me on this. Alright, no, hold on. Hold on, show them the time I can start. Before 1 minute, you know, 5 spoon. 5 spoon. 5 spoon before 1 minute. See you guys.
Pepper time, challenge time. Hot. Ready?
Hold on. Wait there. Hold on. Alright, timing out. Press the timer now. Press the timer. Full up now.
Press. Timer run.
One that gone.
2. 3. 4. One more. 5.
Stop it. Stop.
16.
So long. 16 seconds, guys.
16.1. Yes, sir. Pepper mechanic. Pepper mechanic from Janet.
Anybody? Anyone out there? If you no beat that time, yeah? If you no beat this time, remember me tell you no. Anyone no beat that time, yeah? You do it back over. Anyone out already? Yeah, man. Anyone out no beat this time? See there? See there? Good grace add pepper sauce. Make sure I grace, you know? Make sure I grace. So my other one them not have no taste. Yeah. 5 spoon.
My girl.
Anyone out there?
Pepper skull.
Anyone
Pepper
out
foot.
there with it? Anyone out there?
Pepper skull.
Running.
Oh God.
One out of catty. Running.
Anyone out? Remember I know Green Nation you say we will call you upon our playing field. Our playing field, and my playing field is. Green Nation, this is my playing field. Anybody ready for test? Just come. Anybody at all ready for test? Me there. And if you don't beat me time, the time how much again? About 16.8? 16.1 or 16.88?
8 4 or something. 4 here. Record one day, can only look back.
Oh, 16.84, see there. 16.84.
Yes, Green Nation is a pepper.
16.84. Anyone want to beat that time there, me challenge you again.
It's a pepper is our forte.
Me challenge you again.
Pepper is our forte.
That's my
So,
forte.
She know
That's
she don't
my
drink no water,
forte.
you know. You see, I know she don't drink no water.
I know.
And she know she don't eat the sugar.
I know. And this is minutes after.
But
Me not
me
scared.
don't know what going on and she got tired.
Me not afraid. Me not afraid. I ain't scared. I ain't scared. No, I ain't.
You know in her house when she got tired. Anything you put out, anything you put in will come back out.
Remember me used to
when
this.
go on when pepper
Remember
come
me
back out.
used to this. Remember I'm used to this. Yeah guys, so listen to me now. call out the names them already. Anyone who want to send on a wife. And if your wife can't manage it, if you're not brave enough. If you're not brave enough, cause you know someone not brave enough, you know, I know someone not chicken, you know. I know some of you guys are chicken.
You know, so one time me and Michelle go out and she order her food, she order one whole of pepper with it too. And whole of country pepper. And I plate and when she comes she goes so and bite the pepper and eat the food. Bite the pepper, eat the food like
Someone not guap down everything. Guap down the pepper. Me want to know guap down the pepper. Me hear someone not talk about them spicy food this, spicy food that. Me go see them now. Me go see me a spicy mama.
all on the salt I go burn.
You know say that me watch.
All on the salt I go burn no.
You know say that me go change my name to for YouTube. Michelle Spicy Foot. And Michelle Foot I'm right name. So I said Michelle Spicy or I don't know. Spicy Michelle.
Michelle at foot.
Or something.
And
with
Michelle
spice,
at draws.
'cause I'm really into spice, you know.
Michelle at draws
I'm
and Michelle at foot.
you know say you know you know say Joe, we can't manage here, you know. He had take everything for Joe.
So she want to change her name
Yeah.
to Michelle at foot and Michelle at draws.
What draws coming now, bro?
Hey,
What draws coming?
because when want to drop it drop.
Jesus Christ, you know then the part of cut out of YouTube.
Yes, then hot topic. Hot topic,
True.
yeah,
No,
the
no,
good
that's not
pepper.
hot. Guys, me just a bird now. Yeah, me something to drink. Can I
Water,
get some
water, yeah. Give some honey.
Anything no cool. Anything here no cool.
Oh, liquid. You are drink already.
Anyway, guys, that is it for me. I'm out. Remember, do you want to name all the names again? Nikki from Stuart's family. Nikki, if you can manage to send J, vibes with the Thompson family. Miss Thompson, if you can manage to send Mr. Thompson. Lataya, Dali. Lataya, if you can manage to send Genius family. Genius, me I call you out, you know. Genius family, me I call you out. Me I call you out Genius. And me I call out Green Nation. Green Nation, if you can manage to send your wife, yeah.
Yeah?
Where's me this me I call out again? You can't call out Lashes and Nadine, because I know they can't manage the challenger. But no, they can't manage this. So, no sense me call. Lashes and Nadine, you know, make no sense me call them out. I know can't, and you know, some underrated now, and probably I can't manage it. Probably I can't manage it. But anyway, guys, I am out.
You know, she need luscious or luscious. That means that she can eat pepper. She's spicy too.
She can eat pepper, so we call out Lashes.
Yeah, because she's spicy, because she need luscious. So she's
Okay,
spicy.
so Lashes, Ian call you out. Ian
So-
call you out on the pepper sauce challenge.
Me girl, hot, like things can span it in a pot. Me girl, hot. If your girl don't hot, she will stay back. Me girl, hot, like things can span it in a pot. Hot. If your girl don't hot, she will stay back. Liban. Liban. Yes, sir.
Anyway, guys, we are out. I love you all. I love you, my YouTube families. Love and appreciate all you guys.
Yes.
And guys, if you have not subscribed as yet, I'm asking you. Yeah, nicely. I'm asking you nicely. Please go ahead and subscribe and press that post notification bell, guys, so you'll be notified whenever we upload a crazy, yeah, nice, good video.
You want to go on and want to private time. I'm gonna know.
People can't follow you. You say you're not comedian. You know, say Ian supposed to star in own show name Ian plus comedy, but he have him own show name Ian plus
Too
nature.
serious, my
Guys,
video with nature.
You're too
Too
serious,
serious
and
like
you're so
nature.
Guys, if you haven't subscribed as yet to Ian's channel, guys, what are you waiting for? Guys, please check out Ian's channel, Ian plus Nature TV, guys. Yeah, check him out. Connect, guys. Big up on yourself. Love on all. Love on all. We're out, guys. And always remember to spread love. Spread love. Spread love. Spread love. Spread love. Spread love. Spread. What can I write with love?
Spread love. Like how you spread the wing pan a dove.
Spread love.
Like the wings pan a dove.
And I can't come back with nothing.
Spread love. Like the blessings from above.
Yeah. Spread love. Like the wings, pana, dove, and the blessing from above. Spread love. Hey, hey. Spread love. Hey. Spread love. Bye.
Spread love in your soul.
Inna the bedroom or inna the hall.
Spread love in your soul.
Inna the bedroom or inna the hall.
Take it all.
Because guys, later. Later guys. Bye. Love you all. Mwah.